Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can add link to TikTok bio. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy and simple. What you have to do is just open up TikTok. Once you're inside TikTok, what you have to do is just press on these three horizontal lines on the corner. Once you press on it, you need to go to settings and privacy. And you need to, the first method is very simple. You need to go to privacy and make sure that you aren't on a private account. And after that, what you can do is simply go ahead and press on account, and then you need to switch to business account. And it's very important for your URL. You need to be on a business account, and you need to press next, and then next, and then next again, and then now you gotta choose a category for your business account and then press next. Now, once all this is, you can put your email address and then add your bio. And yeah, now you can just, view your business suite, or you can register. So if you press on visit business suite, you'll be able to see this, and right over here you can see analytics and everything. But if you go to business registration, so it might take a while to load up, but you gotta do the business registration. So just make sure that business registration is done. Once it's done, you need to press on edit, and right over here you'll see the option of links. Just go ahead and press on add link, and you can directly add any URL you would like to. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually